Dyson V7 Advanced Cordless Stick Vacuum Cleaner Review. The Dyson V7 Advanced Cordless Stick Vacuum Cleaner is a game-changer for hassle-free home cleaning. With its cordless design, lightweight build, and powerful suction, it's ideal for those seeking convenience and efficiency in their cleaning routine. Key features: this vacuum offers up to 30 minutes of runtime, ensuring enough power for quick cleaning tasks. The two suction settings allow you to adjust based on the surface, with the max mode providing an intense clean for stubborn dirt. The direct drive cleaner head works wonders on carpets, driving stiff nylon bristles deep into the fabric to remove embedded debris. For pet owners, the Dyson V7 is a blessing. The included mini motorized tool excels at picking up pet hair from furniture and carpets, making it a perfect choice for households with furry friends. Its advanced filtration system captures 99.97% of particles as small as 0.3 microns, ensuring cleaner air for your home. Emptying the bin is straightforward and hygienic. Just press a button, and the dirt is gone without needing to touch it. Pros: cordless convenience, no more wrestling with cords while cleaning. Lightweight and versatile, easy to maneuver, even under furniture. Pet-friendly, perfect for homes with pets, especially for removing fur. Durable, built to last, even with frequent use. Cons: short battery life on max mode, high suction drains the battery quickly. Small dustbin capacity, this may require frequent emptying for larger spaces. Final thoughts: the Dyson V7 Advanced is an excellent choice for efficient and versatile cleaning, especially for pet owners or small to medium-sized homes. While its price may be a splurge, the value it delivers makes it a worthy investment for hassle-free cleaning. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and comment below. Check out the description to find the product link.